friends, welcome back, and if you're new to our channel, thank you for stopping by. Today I'm going to give you a tour of my cousin's balconies, starting off with the tulsi plant, the sacred plant where she has placed the incense sticks. And now let's move ahead. There lies the spider plant. The petunia, I can see it's in bloom, the golden fern. She has placed the plants in a beautiful manner. It's not looking clumsy, it is looking very pretty. Now this corner has something interesting, so please watch carefully. She had a visitor, and the visitor has now become a permanent member for some days, and there it is. That's the nest of the bird that used to visit her, and it has laid 2 eggs, and very soon she'll be able to see the baby birds. Now look at the detailing of the nest. How cozy it looks, and in the middle 2 eggs has been laid. And the nest has been built in a pot which consisted of golden pothos. Now moving ahead, this is a plate where she has put some water and the jasmines that has been growing in her balcony. And the fragrance that this particular plant is spreading is just heavenly. And behind there is the flag of Jai Bajrangbali. So I am just loving the plants here in my cousin's balcony. Now there the jasmine is bouncing in the breeze. Look at the blooms, quite a lot of flowers. And this brings me to the end of this video. If you all have liked it, do give a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family members. If you are new to our channel, do consider subscribing and stay tuned for interesting videos. So till we meet again, it is bye bye for today. Bye.